Hey y'all, it's Deanna. I'm gonna open a package here I have from Thunder Horse Descendants. I never ordered from them. She was doing a Found Objects Challenge for June 2021. She sold grab bags for $5. It's got random beads, findings, charms, pendants. Some have pendants, some new, some harvested. Anyway, you take what she sent you in the bag, and you can add stuff to it if you want to from your own stash. You take pictures of your beads prior to the project, prior to starting it. Then you have until July 1st. The winner will be picked on July 6th. Post at least three photos in the Thunder Horse Descendant group excuse me, on Facebook, and tag at Thunder Horse Descendant or at Randy Brown. And I don't know what you win. You may just win bragging rights. It doesn't say anything about a prize, but that's okay. So everybody got something different, whoever ordered a grab bag. Anyway, it came in this. I have my camera turned a different way, so we're gonna see how that does. Anyway, we will see. Came in that organza bag, and then she wrapped it up in tissue paper. She did a good job wrapping it up. I can get it open. I'm thinking about it. Here's her card. I don't know if it's a girl or a guy. I'm assuming a girl just because of the way Randy spelled, but I could be wrong. And then there's this. I can't tell if y'all can see that. I can't see because I don't have my glasses on. I've got these two great big. These feel like they are wood. There's two of these. These are all neutral colors. There's no bright colors to this. Yeah, what is that? Something stuck to me. Two more wood beads. These are cool. Let's see if I can get you a little bit more. Then we have a bunch of shell beads. Let's see how many there are. Yeah. Uh-oh, I dropped one, but that's okay. Bunch of mother of pearl, it looks like shell beads. Those are pretty. And I like these. I don't know what these are, but these are pretty. Ooh, I do like those. There's some that are, there's different sizes of them. Let me see if I can find the bigger ones. Is that the same size? I don't know, that might be a little smaller. There are these. These are pretty. Whatever kind of gemstone these are very pretty. I'm gonna guess some kind of jasper, but I don't know. If anybody does, let me know. There's those, and then there's these that look like they're one. They're a little smaller, maybe, just barely. Those are pretty. Those are so pretty. That was well worth the $5. But then there was $4 shipping. But even so, these are pretty. Oh, one more of that size. Then these little ones that look like rondelles. Let's see if I got them all. Oh, one more in that size. Then these little ones. See, he's completely different than the size than the others, than the rest of them. And then we have these. I don't know if these are glass, gemstone, or bone. I wouldn't have a clue. I don't know. There's those. Then there's these. They're the same, they're just smaller. I don't know what they are though. Oh, I won't use this. I won't be able to use this because I don't do wire wrapping right now. I practice every once in a while, but it's got a hole in it, yes. But he's got a big old chip, so he'd have to be wire wrapped to hide that. So I won't use it in this project, but it's pretty. And then we've got these tubular beads. There's a whole bunch of them. These are pretty too. Like I said, I don't know. These may be bone, but I don't know how to tell. I don't know how to tell. Anyway, they're cool. It's hard to tell. How do you tell bone? I know they're not wood. They don't feel like wood. Okay. Anyway, then we've got, oh, there's one more of those little ones. Then we've got some spacer beads. There's a whole bunch of these. I'll scoot them over into the picture. Then we've got this little bag of beads here. I don't know what they're made of, though. They could be bone seed beads or just glass, or I don't know. They're pretty. They match. Everything coordinates except the white does kind of stand out, but it does have some striations of the browns. There's all, oh, you can't see them. See if I can get you. There we go. And then we've got this other bag here to open. Uh-oh, one more of those. Let's see. I've got a palm tree. That looks like it might be made out of shell, like a coconut shell or something. Just by the way it feels. Palm trees. There's these that I would take these apart anyway. There's a leaf on the flower. These look like they're shelled. They're probably mother of pearl. Those are pretty. And then this one with the leaf on it. And that's all there is in here. So now I get to figure out what to make and use. And I have till the 1st to get it done. I really, really, really like these, excuse me, these coin beads. They're so pretty. So pretty, so cool. Love it. So for $9, I got some stuff I really like. I'm kind of disappointed that has a crack in it. You know, a chip right off of it. But, you know, that's okay. It'll be alright. And I like these round beads. They're cool. So, we will see what I come up with. Mix and put some of my stuff with it and see what happens. Alright. Thanks, y'all. I'll make a video when I go to make whatever it is I make with it. Excuse me, my cough. You know, I got asthma, so I cough a lot. Alright, y'all. Thanks. Bye.